Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now today we are going to see Power Mesh tracking with Mocha Pro and Nuke. So Power Mesh tool is powerful tracking system for deformed surface. So here just I am going to see how we can track this shot in Mocha Pro, and after this finally we will compose this shot in Nuke. So now here in Nuke I have imported our footage here, and also I have imported some tattoo images here. So now just play and check our footage here. So this footage, okay. So this footage we have to track with the help of Mocha Mesh Tracker, and we have to place some tattoos here. So first we have to take Mocha Tracker node, then from toolbar just click on Mocha options and you can take Mocha Pro, or simply select your footage and press tab button and type Mocha Pro. So here this one, then right side you can see Mocha Pro, okay. So just little bit define here properties 1. So now after this just simply click on launch Mocha UI here. So now you can see footage in Mocha Pro 2021. So here you can easily see I am using Mocha Pro 2021 because Mesh Tracker is only available in Mocha 2021. So here we have to track this surface with the help of Mesh Tracker. So now you can see here. So first we have to create a shape. So here just I am going to create our shape in first frame. Take X spline tool or any tool which is sufficient for you, then little bit just zoom and just create. Then here in downside just check Mesh Tracker. So this one, now you can see here this is our default mesh here which Mocha has created for us. Now suppose after this we have to change some options here. So in automatic click on uniform, then again click on generate mesh. Remember this one, whatever option you will change here you have to click generate mesh, okay. So just adjust some point options, maybe 25, then again click on generate. I think this is sufficient for us. Now just a little bit check this one and track our shot, then simply click on forward tracking. So I have tracked our shot. Now just click here and you play and check. So easily you can see. I think this is looking good. Now after this we have to export this tracking data for Nuke. Then downside simply click on export track. Then from here we have to select Alembic mesh data. Remember this one, Alembic mesh data. Then reference frame. Actually reference frame is that frame where you have created your shape. So I have created our shape on first frame. So here just I am going to define 1, okay. So remember this one. So on whatever frame you have created your shape, that frame you have to define here, okay. So just easily you can see one key is here, then simply click on save, then just give a proper name, okay. So in E drive I have saved this file, then simply click on save, then finally click on file, then click on save project and just close this software. Now come in Nuke. Now here you can see, okay. Now after this we have to import our Alembic file here. So with the help of read geo node I am going to import our Alembic files here. Then click on 3D options, geometry, then read geo, then select, then in file option click and select your ABC file or Alembic file. So in E drive I have saved. So this one just I have saved mesh data, select and just click on open. Now you can see, okay, Mocha camera and layer. So after this we have to click on create all in one node. So now you can see here 2 files are here, okay. This is our camera and this is our mesh geometry. So what we have to do after this, just we have to take scanline render node here. So press tab button, type scanline render. So now just we have to connect this scene. So in AVC or this geometry, camera, just connect in camera, and this VG connect in our original footage. Remember this one, we have to connect in our original footage. Okay, now select this one and press 1 here. Now you can see message here. Okay, after this we have to do composting here. So how we can compose? So first we have to take any images which you want to place here, maybe tattoo, all these things. So here just I have selected this one, line 1, and just take it and move it here. So we have to place this image on top of this surface, or here you can see. Okay, so first we have to take a reference from our original video. Okay, according to that frame I will first compose this image, then we will project this image on top of this geometry. Okay, so how we can do all these things? So see here, simple composting is here. Okay, so first I am going to create a hold frame. Okay, so where just I want to compose this one, so I am going to compose this image on first frame. Okay, so here, so press tab button, type frame hold. So this is only for reference, remember this one, this is only for reference, for perspective matching, all these things. Okay, so frame hold and take and connect in original footage, then tab and type 1 here. Now select this one and press 1 here, so easily you can see. Okay, so this is only reference image. According to this image I will place this tattoo here. That's why I have created a single frame, or you can take any frame where you can easily place this tattoo here. Okay, so now after this take a merge tool, press M, background, then make it foreground like this, then view our merger here, select this one and press 1 here. Now you can see, I think alpha is there but it's not showing here. So what we have to do, select this image, press tab button and type pre-mult, because this is a PNG image. Okay, so just type pre-mult here, so easily you can see like this. After this, if you want to change anything here, then you can take transform, maybe T, and you can just adjust, maybe scale, all these things, whatever you want. And if you want to change perspective of your image, or if you want to place your image according to this perspective, you can also take corner pinning. So select this one here, so before transform. Okay, so select this one, press tab, maybe corner pin. Okay, so just I have put here corner pinning. Now just double click here and you can adjust your points, all these things like this. Okay, so easily you can create perspective, whatever perspective you want to create like this. Okay, so easily you can see. Okay, now here just I am going to disable this one. Now select both, press D here, because this placement is looking good. Remaining thing, these are nodes only for adjusting your images according to this perspective or according to this surface. Okay, now after this what we have to do, so we have to unplug from here. Okay, because we have to use only this image. So because we have to compose this image on top of this video here. Okay, so finally what we have to do, we have to unplug this reference image and we have to add a constant node. Press tab button, type constant, click here and make it according to your footage size, which is 1920x1080. Okay, so select from here 1920x1080. Okay, now this transform has resolution according to our original footage, which is 1920x1080, this one. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to unplug from here and we have to connect it here. Okay, so now finally just little bit keep it here and take this tattoo composting and a little bit move it here. Now finally what we have to, we have to connect this merger output with this input. Okay, so now easily we can see on first frame whatever I am doing on first frame. So just simply take from here and just connect it here. Now just little bit adjust this one so easily you can understand. Now again select this scanline render and press 1 here. Now you can see easily. Now just play and check here little bit. Now play and check. Now you can see this is looking good. So this is not final compositing because we have to blend this image on top of this surface. Okay, so what we have to do again, so just unplug this image from here, and again if you want to, you can take another constant. So if you want, you can direct connect here, or if you have any confusion, you can Control C and Control V, you can copy paste. Okay, so this constant, now you can see this frame according to our original footage. Okay, if you will not plug anything here, it will generate different resolution frame size. Okay, so easily you can see. So this is again important, so connect it here, or if you want, you can connect in same constant. Now from here you will get only this moving image. Okay, according to our original footage frame size. Now you can see here. Now finally we have to merge this image on top of our this original footage. Okay, so now finally take merge node M, and this will be our background and this will be our foreground. Now view this merge here, final merge, press 1 here. Now just come on first frame. Now you can see result are same, but here now with the help of this merge you can blend your image, or you can adjust transparency, all these things. Okay, so here in merger, double click here. Then from here, if you want, you can select different types of blending modes. Now here after this, if you want to just mix this image on top of this surface, then you can use mix value. Okay, so here easily you can adjust. Now you can see, I think this is looking good. Now just play and check here, so easily you can see. Now play and check here. Now you can see, okay, in real time. So this is looking good. This tattoo is also deforming according to this deformation or according to this surface. So this is looking good. Okay, so till here just save our project, Control S. So suppose after this, if you want to change your image, this tattoo or anything, then simply just I am going to little bit explain here. So what we have to do, so whatever you want to change, so whatever you want to do, you have to change only in this compositing. Okay, so here just little bit adjust it here. So just little bit I am going to merge one more here. So just I am going to take this one maybe. So this two suppose I want to take. So if you want, you can take this one also. So little bit just wings maybe. So this is only for explanation. Okay, so this is final result for us. Now then take another merger here, merge. Then before this merger, because this will be on top of our constant here. Okay, so maybe make again, press tab, pre-mult like this. Maybe make any background or foreground, then take output from here. Placed perfect. Now easily you can see here. Now just play and check here. So easily you can see both are looking good. Okay, so now finally just I am going to little bit make as a previous here. So just connect it here. Now just play and check here our final compositing. So now play and check. So easily you can see. So till here I have completed our this shot. So if you like this video, please watch, share, comments and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel.